Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your math teacher, and today I am going to start the addition of decimal fraction. In this video, I will cover the addition of decimal numbers as well as how we'll put the decimal to a given decimal fraction. So let us start with question number 1. Conversion of decimal number from the fraction. 3 by 10. Whenever such kind of fraction will be seen in this fraction, denominator is 10, skip 1 0 and put decimal before one digit. So the answer is 0.3. I hope you will understand. Further example is 17 upon 100. Look here, in denominator there are 100, 00, skip 00 and put decimal before two digits, 1 2. Then final answer is 0.17. Pronunciation is 17, not 17. After decimal you will pronounce individual digits. Another example, 19 upon 1000. In this part, look here, there are 3 0, but in numerator there are only 2 digits. Then skip 3 0, 1 2 3 and decimal, put decimal before 3 digits, 1 2. Now mark 1 0 in front of 19 and put decimal. The answer is 0.019. So student, I hope you will understand this process, conversion of decimal number from a given fraction. Such kind of fraction is called decimal fraction because in their denominators there is 10, 100, 1000. These type of fraction are said to be decimal fraction. Now another example is 6120 upon 10. Here skip 1 0 and mark there is no decimal, 612. I hope you will understand this part. And last example of such kinds of situation is 10 upon 1000. This is the mixture of all these. Skip 1 0. Now answer is 1 upon 100. Now convert into decimal number, 1 2 1 2 point. This is called 0.01. Okay. So student, I hope you will understand such kind of conversion of decimal number from the given fraction. So now student, the second type of question I will cover in this video, that is addition of decimal numbers. So this is an example, 0.33 plus 0.4502 plus 132.008 plus 73.8003. We have to add these decimal number. First to look the whole number part, maximum whole number part. This is 132. You can note down 132.008. Okay. You remember they always all the decimal come under the decimal number. Now second maximum part is 73. 73 point this point always come under the previous point. 8 0 0 3. Write all the digit under the proper places. Now second is 0.4502 and last number is 0.33. Now convert all the decimal number into like decimal. The maximum places in decimal is 1 2 3 4. To convert all the decimal places into 4 digit, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now add them. 3 plus 2 5, there is no carry. 8 of 8, no carry. 5 plus 3 8, there is no carry. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, carry 1. 3 plus 3 6, put decimal here, and 7 plus 3 10, carry 1 2. Then the final answer, final addition of these decimal is 206.5885. So student, bus remember this, you can put decimal under decimal and convert all the decimal part into like decimal part. Maximum place of decimal part, you have to convert the smaller to maximum places. Here the maximum places is 1 2 3 4, 4 digits. Convert all 2 or 3 digits into 4 digits in decimal part, no in whole number part. So I hope you will understand this question of addition. If you feel some difficulty, we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.